Hi everyone, Adrian here and welcome back to Wild Bush and Grit. Today in this video I want to talk to you about my Remington 870. Don't you like that sound? Safety first, magazine forward here, nothing in the chamber, it's empty, I can put my finger in it. Alright, so this video is not sponsored, so I'm not getting money from anyone to do that. This is my shotgun, I had it for 3 years, and what I'm about to say is what I think of this shotgun. In a nutshell, to me, the 870 is the best shotgun for a first-time buyer. And for two reasons. The first one is it's highly affordable. Second reason is highly reliable. So what you pay for this will last you a long time, almost your entire hunting life. It has that first classic look. I really love I really love how it looks. It's definitely not a boutique shotgun, but that's the whole thing, right? You want something that is utilitarian. So don't let that utilitarian look fools you, because this will do the job. And this is the Express Tactical series. It comes in various series. If you're willing to spend a little bit more money for a better finish, I would, you should consider at the Wingmaster series, which usually you can get with some wood stocks, wood forend, and overall better finish. The Express has some. Not that it's bad, but it's it could have been finished a little bit better. Some of the edges inside the action housing are kind of rough, and you might even cut yourself if you're not too careful. On the stock itself, I had to use a knife to kind of scrape off some of the junction line, in the molding process. But no biggie. To me, the price I bought this one 450 Canadian dollar, if I remember correctly. But you could easily get a used shotgun for under for about $200 probably. And I'm not sure how much the Wingmaster series goes, but I know it's a couple of hundred more than the Expresses. So another reason why I think this is a great shotgun for first-time buyer or new hunters, or people who are getting into the hunting sport, is the versatility it offers, especially in 12 gauge. And let me explain that here. Like, you can hunt from black bear all the way down to rabbit. The main difference is going to be what you use and how you configure that shotgun to do its job, right? So if you're hunting black bear, for example, you might want to add a rifle choke, and you're going to use probably 3-inch slugs into as a projectile. If you're hunting rabbits or rough grouse, for example, then you will downsize your shell size to 2 3/4 inches shells, and using tiny shots like 7 or 7.5. You want to go duck hunt? Sure, no problem. You just change your shot size to 3 or 4 shot size. And the other beauty also of owning a 12 gauge shotgun is 12 gauge is so popular that you will find shell everywhere. Virtually anywhere where you can get ammo, they will have a huge selection of 12 gauge shotgun shells. And also, if you're looking into it, you can definitely make your own. You only need to own one of these little thing here. This is highly inexpensive. Forgot how much I bought it. I can add it on the video. I think it was around $60-70 for Canadian, so even cheaper in the US. And this will guarantee you that you can even customize further to your own liking what you exactly need for your application. The only thing I could say also about the as a drawback for the Remington is if you're left-handed, the safety position is not at a super convenient place. It's here on the trigger guard. So the safety is here on the trigger guard. When you're left-handed, it's a little bit not super accessible. And for that reason, I would you can have a look at the Mossberg, because I know the Mossberg safety is actually on top here of the receiver, which you can access with your thumb. So I think that's a plus if you're left-handed. Otherwise, I think the Mossberg 500 or 590 series are highly similar to the $870. So, you know, in conclusion, what I really love it, you know, that this has the look of a classic, well, it is a classic, it's not just the look, it is a classic shotgun to own. And you know, it has that typical get off my lawn look, and if you don't mind, and if you actually, you know, enjoy this, you might even consider getting a pair of bibs. I think it's gonna pair very well together. So, price, super affordable, super reliable, 12 gauge available anywhere, and you can hunt a wide range of game, you know, from black bear all the way to rabbit, based on the configuration that you can bring. And oh yeah, one last thing, the aftermarket parts are widely available everywhere also, so you can really customize your shotgun to your own liking, and you know, down to a very specific purpose that you want to do. You know, you can change the stock, you can add like a pistol grip, you can add M-lock guard, you can add any sort of accessories to your shotgun to really make it unique, make it your own for your use. I hope I haven't forgotten anything that I wanted to say. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, you might like the other stuff that I have in my channel, and you could consider subscribing as well. That means a lot to me, I really appreciate it. Or give it a thumbs up, share, and if you own a Mossberg and a Remington, please let me know in the comment which one you like the best, or what do you consider the main difference between these two shotguns. I know they're very similar, but like, I don't have experience with the Mossberg, so if there's someone out there who own one, please let me know. Who knows, maybe I'm gonna get one as well.